What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Totally Inspired with me, your girl Sibo Dube. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because trust me, you'll enjoy this content. Well, today, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen yet again. This is after I got some feedback from some of the viewers who said they'd like to see more cooking videos. So today we'll be preparing a recipe that I am experimenting with. It's my own idea. It's going to be lemon and herb salmon together with cream mushrooms, and I'm going to add some green vegetables that will have some carrots included there, but most of the vegetables will be green vegetables. So you follow me along and hopefully you'll be able to prepare this again midweek, because it's going to be quick and easy. So my workstation is ready from a mushroom point of view and a salmon point of view. So these are my ingredients for the creamed mushroom: some rosemary here, some Parmesan cheese, the mushroom, of course. I've got onions, and I've got spices where I'm going to use crushed garlic and paprika. You don't have to necessarily use the spices that I've chosen, but these are my favorite ones. And right in the middle here, I've got some Himalayan salt, which I'll use both for the cream mushroom and for the salmon. And of course, for the salmon dish, I have the main flavor, which is the lemon and herb right here, as well as the salmon itself. And then I'm going to use some black pepper and of course our olive oil. So moving on to the green veggies that I talked about, I've already set them up here. I've got my green beans, I've got my broccoli, and I also have some carrots to add a bit of color there. So let's get started. The onion has just got me crying a bit here. So you mix the mushroom and the onion, and then you put it, oh my word. So now we are preparing the veggies. We will chop them up very nicely and make sure that we make them tasty and enjoyable. As you can see, the majority of the veggies are greens. We are just going to add some carrots so that there's a bit of color there. So now I'll make the veggies a bit underdone so that we can still maintain the nutrients that are in the veggies. And if you like, you can add a bit of honey to give it some taste and a bit of glaze in there for the look and presentation. hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly did. And please do share with me what you think of the recipe and if you're going to try it out or if you have tried it out, and give me some feedback. Please don't forget, you must subscribe, you must hit the notification bell, put your comments, like and share. Until next time, keep inspiring.